yung amo namin. Yan.
Take our time. Don't care what others say. If I got you, I'm straight. You in my heart tonight. Well, you're the reason why I am singing in the mirror.
Okay na, malapit na mag-start.
Kaya kung nasuglan pa kong istritos pa na babae, no? Malukmay yung ka sa kabuhay. Thank you so much for your presence.
Now it's a came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning sun, the night is
Start na lang ito niya.
Okay. Aida Binondo at Jason Taclan. Their sponsors, Mrs. Julieta Apilio and Mrs. Rio Apilio. A big hand for Mr. and Mrs. Taclan. Finally married today. Let's give a hand to our next couple. Dili di mo deny, humanag itong kiss sa usag-usa. No, matulog or mo ato sa trabaho, bye dear. Audience, let's count from 10 to 1. Ready? Count 10. Start kissing. Start kissing 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pasibang pakpak alam. Kung sa diferensya ba na nag-uban na naghandog na mo o karon na namingiyok na mo formally and blessed by the church. No? Dahil pa na. Mura sa maong ganina, no? So, Apes and Mrs. Apolinaria is Paris. Please stand once again, ma'am. So, everyone will recognize you. O ila-ilaha kay maduulan na inyo. No, for all the graces that their family have received. And this combination is a testament to the couple's commitment to fostering community bonds and promoting the institution of
Sa inyong kasayuran,
Ito yung mga
Sir
artista sa
Pares, Mamerna, Yvonne, Sir Chuck, kaning among programa, bisan na sa serbisyo sa wala, nagsubok.
Hindi nila sila dito. Yan. Ayun na sila.
we belong in each other's arms. There will be our
Ako, gagabarong sa inyong atubangan.
Nandito na. Nagsigit lang na natin ang mga regalo. Ito libreng kasal para sa mga tindahanan guys. Oy, sana oil. Sana oil.
Mary Ann Aligarbes and Nestor Sukgang. Months of being together, you have now decided to seal your love with each other. And it is easy to love. Remember this one, my dear couples? According to Archbishop Drew, it is easy.
Okay guys, tapos na sila dito.